Lots of fun on the farm today. I'm going to build a pond. The two Sarahs love feeding the baby animals. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. There's a little piglet that causes some trouble today as well. Can you tell me how many piglets altogether? We're going to build a fence first for the cattle. There are 3 calves today. This is a Jersey cow, and these are the Swiss brown. The calves are getting some special attention from both the Sarahs. And time to feed the other cows. And today we've got some new plants arriving. I really like this new cactus. Now I'm going to build a pond. The swan and cygnets and a goose in the background. The swan's taking the cygnets for a swim in the pond. What an awesome goose! Sarah shuts the gate. Such a nice area for the animals. And here we have some ducks, some horses and donkeys. I know Sarah's going to want to feed the baby foal and give it a pat. And here's some food for the other donkeys. The Knabstrupper mare and foal. And more new plants. The llamas and alpacas have arrived. Llama and alpaca. The baby alpaca is called a cria, and Sarah's giving it a nice red apple. Let's feed the adult alpaca and the 2 llamas. There's a new yellow fence for the farm. And some chickens and roosters. What a noise! And 2 cats. A new fence for the pigs. And some new plants. And here is their shelter. It's called a pigsty. And here are the pigs. The mother pig has 4 little piglets, plus there's one more piglet in the background. Sarah's going to feed and tickle the little piglet. We've got some new garden plants arriving. This little piglet's going to get up to some mischief. And here he comes under the fence. Sam the farm dog is on duty. Uh-oh. The farmer David helps put him back over the fence, and Sarah and David move the plants up to the fence so the piglet can't get out. Some more food for the other animals. Well, there's a record crowd here today. It's lovely to see all the children as well. They're here to learn about the animals. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.